Come on.
What a day.
Yeah, I got taste, just look at my bitch. On my way. Yeah, what's on my waist, this bitch loosely kick. She not my main, I'm finna boot this bitch. You call LiJordan good with a stick. I keep that still like I'm brooming shit. Nah, I ain't got it, bitch. Who the fuck said I'm a trick? Let's link up and die, we gon' grind his weed. She ain't shit, just another hoe scratch out the lease. I know a hoe that'll drink my piece. What make you think I care if I lose you, bitch? I want some niggas with loose screws, bitch.
Jordan, nigga, this shit on the album will beat your ass, nigga. I'ma come up in fucking Memphis and beat your ass, nigga. YouTube. We got my nigga LiJordan in the motherfucker. He dropped his little EP. You finna check that motherfucker out. Nah, look. I already see it, nigga. I was about to say, you feel me? If you ain't dropped this motherfucker, I was gonna get mad at your ass, nigga. But shit, we gonna check this joint out. That motherfucker so cool.
Yeah, run it back. Hey, Jordan, turn this to online, bro.
Yeah, LiJordan, yeah, Stunt On A Bitch in my fucking Louis loafers, like I'm peace. Then I run up on me, I'ma put some past 6 feet. Niggas scared to shoot, told lil' bruh, pass me his glick. They like sober up, bitch, sober up, what? I been high for like a week. Bro in the strip club so fucked up, he gon' spend his last on a freak. They got LiJordan so fucked up, I'ma spend his bitch till the bitch on eat. They got LiJordan so fucked up, till I kiss him, I won't fucking eat or sleep. Bitch, I won't even fucking blink. I'm so damn high, I can't think. I touch way more money than brinks. I touch more money than a bank. Niggas be tricking so his money shrink. You might as well throw that shit down the sink. I got built these hoe getting spanked. I got built these hoe getting spanked. I was in jail but not too long. Had I hit the floor, I would've bought a shake. That bitch said she wanna be my ball, but I can't even do that. I just told her down. My nigga slide tryna hoop. Put the beam right on his door, that nigga bust his brain. Niggas go around with poof. Tryna sign, he ain't even do it right. Niggas insane. Nigga, your record deal poof. I told them folks I ain't signing my name for no fame. It's kinda brazy, it's true. I never signed under my ops inside of the bank. Baby, you just for the swoop. I told that hoe I ain't changing her damn last name. My ex eat the dick up like soup. I'm like, damn, baby, I see, ain't shit changed. Don't try to come around popping. I know some niggas that really just want your chain. I ain't even trying to be popular. I couldn't even do half the shit I do if I had fame. Damn, they hate when you popping it. Niggas be hating that shit so goddamn lame. She wanna fuck it, she ovulating. I told the bitch, I'm just trying to pick your brain. Yeah, Stunt On A Bitch in my fucking
Louis loafers,
like I'm peace. Then I run up on me, I'ma put some past 6 feet. Niggas scared to shoot, told lil' bruh, pass me his glick. They like sober up, bitch, sober up, what? I been high for like a week. Bro in the strip club so fucked up, he gon' spend his last on a freak. They got LiJordan so fucked up, I'ma spend his bitch till the bitch on eat. They got LiJordan so fucked up, till I kiss him, I won't fucking eat or sleep. Bitch, I won't even fucking blink. I'm so damn high, I can't think. I touch way more money than brinks. I touch more money than a bank. Niggas be tricking so his money shrink. You might as well throw that shit down the sink. I got built these hoe getting spanked. I got built these hoe getting spanked.
I got built these hoe getting spanked. That was Stunt On A Bitch. That shit was a good intro, you feel me? Now we got Lemonade. Nigga, is you sampling Lemonade by Gucci Mane? I swear every nigga that named their song Lemonade do that same shit. I know it, nigga.
Pussy, you know that you not in that guy. Pussy, you know that you not in that guy. Yeah, oh yeah, bitch, oh yeah, yeah. Like you lemonade, it's too many chances to make some shake. I made like 2 bands to 7 shakes. I'm a little genre getting all weight. I want some money, I want real estate. Been eating straight now, they won't stay. I'm trying to stay out these fuck nigga way. Yo, sit back, peep, play shit safe. Pop out rap, see the look on their face. They see I'm up, now that long face. That boy rap, he work his own case. I don't need my name in no paper. I don't really care about no more money paper. I don't really care about no more money lately. I don't really care about no more money, baby. I put the beam on the lightsaber. I put the beam on the heat disable. Smack down rushing and slam on the table. I ain't need lie, babe, I told you a favor. If you ask me,
I fuck with this flow heavy as fuck. I fuck with this flow.
Did you a favor? You don't need post to know that bitch exists. You don't need post to know that information. You don't need know I just pulled up a seat. Seen her fuck a friend and now she sees. Going through my phone. That what you get, blow it like a bone. Make your wish, hoe ain't number bone. She say she thick. I need a Percocet, I got the itch, ride it like a broom. This bitch you wish, take me to your room. I'm finna hit. She finna hit. Pop outside, bitch. I'm in your bitch. Pop me 1, bitch. I'm tryna see your titties. Pop me 2, bitch. I don't want no feeling. I'm off lights in on my ceiling. Her sex good, but I don't want no dealing. You're fucking the good, make a reef with a ceiling. Can't take me nowhere, cause the joint be stealing. And I'm with the nigga who doing the killing. Shop for fucking pro night, ball like grilling. Cook up the crack, got the junkie knocking. Turn on the trap, bitch, I got it happy. I'm in the party, straight pill poppin'. Bitch, you don't poppin', no seal poppin'. Gave the bitch some dick, now it's still problem. Oh, you ain't never satisfied. You know I smoke shit to the spot. Her pussy fat like tis my love. I speak straight face, why would I lie? I'm out like 3 flats, I'm too high. I'm tryna fuck it in the French, she back.
Oh, that's what it is. So, okay. I'll get fat like tease my life.
I'm trying to see where the bitch head at. I'm trying to take her where the bed at. I lost my mind, I forgot down east. I can't bust out the damn Percocet. It's so hard to find the perfect bitch. All these stupid hoes slurping dick. I'm so slime, I'm a surfing bitch. Spinning your block, I'm doing circles, bitch. She said I'm only good for person dick. She said I'm only good for person dick. She said I'm only good for person dick. I know I ain't good for shit. Yeah, I know I ain't good for shit. Yeah, I know I ain't good for nothing.
Damn, nigga, why you going so hard on yourself?
She wanna ride on the dick. Bitch, to put her in the bun. Yeah, bitch, put your her in the bun. Yeah, bitch, put your her in the bun. Bitch, you can't have my son. I put the bitch with the gun. I smacked his ass with Glock. Bitch, spin your block. I'm trying to give him a chop. I'm trying to bump down with chop. Yeah, I'm trying to bump down, yeah. Please, I'm a op. Yeah, nigga, fuck the cop. Yeah, fuck the pig, nigga, fuck the oink.
What, nigga? Fuck the pig, nigga, fuck the oink. Shout out to bro. Oh shit, what the fuck? Damn, I got money got long. Shit. That was Lemonade though. That shit was some cool shit. Some calm little shit. Now we got money long. Money got long. Pause.
Yeah, let's run. Yeah.
Damn nigga, who made this? Who you produce this shit?
Yeah, my money got long. Yeah, my money got long. Be wanna fuck with my money got long. Hold you a slut, I can't take you home. Think I don't not in the chain ain't no more. Think I don't not in the chain ain't no more. Nowadays I ain't even doing no more. I just sit back and roll my dough. I just sit back and roll my dough. She seen LiJordan, you hoe got ghost. I'm not passing, you can hit this road. Nigga, slide, we gon' dance his dope. I took your bitch to the fucking bando. Then I told bitch nigga watch your hoe. Then I told bitch nigga watch the back. They got LiJordan on the beat, know he walking that hoe. They know LiJordan that nigga when he walk through the door. They like LiJordan, why he posted the stove? I'm at the stove cause I got what you want. Yeah, I got sign percent what you want. Yeah, he like the type on his phone. I'm trying to bond out.
Yeah, I got sign percent what you want.
Trying to see what he on. I don't condone this in this song. Nigga said he want to bunk, get it on. Nigga, I'm a real big gangster. LiJordan ain't going out like a cone. Yeah, these niggas talk good, these niggas rap good. 2 times since on home. This little bitch sort of ass clap good. This bitch ain't nothing but bone. Damn, I miss my little nigga JK. I swear don't feel that long. Damn, I miss my little nigga JK. I swear don't feel that long. I swear to God. Yeah, my money got long. Yeah, my money got long. Be wanna fuck with my money got long. Hold you a slut, I can't take you home. Think I don't not in the chain ain't no more. Think I don't not in the chain ain't no more. Nowadays I ain't even doing no more. I just sit back and roll my dope. I just sit back and roll my dope. She seen LiJordan, he hoe got ghost. I'm not passing, you can hit this rope. Nigga, slide, we gon' dance his dope. I took your bitch to the fucking bando. Then I told bitch nigga watch your hoe. Then I told bitch nigga watch the back. They got LiJordan on the beat, know he walking that hoe. They know LiJordan that nigga when he walk through the door. They like LiJordan, why he posted the stove? I'm at the stove cause I got what you want. Yeah, I got 9% what you want. Yeah, he like the type on his phone. I'm trying to bump down and see what he on. I don't condone this in this song. Nigga said he want to bump, get it on. Nigga, I'm a real big gangster. LiJordan ain't going out like a cone.
I ain't going out like cone, nigga. What the fuck that mean? That shit would come. Here go blood on the floor.
For real.
Nigga sample emoji.
Yeah, LiJordan. Yeah. I might just blow hit that brain, bang. I got a shorty nigga, I got rank. Ooh, she eating the good, lo main. Stop her.
What'd you say? Hold on.
Hit that brain, bang. I got a LiJordan. I might just blow hit that brain, bang. I got a shorty nigga, I got rank. Ooh, she eating the good, lo main. Stop her, let baby ain't putting no stain. Stop her, let baby ain't putting no pain. Ooh, I'm smacking the good, make it rain. That shit the same, she ain't got no stain. Busting her down on the kitchen sink. Fuck that street shit, this shit ain't the same. Niggas point fingers and get niggas blame. This on LiJordan, I get niggas flame. So slam, I right off with the whole damn thing. Look that hoe wanna fuck whole game. The crack law, I'm whipping up cocaine. Overseas, I'm fucking hoes from Maine. Her G-spot, she said it's screaming screaming my name. It's 5 racks on the floor, hand family. Why niggas trying to my flow, goddamn it. He try to reach, make him flow like a hammy. It might be blood on the floor, don't paint it. He said it's smoky, I smoke like Sammy. Taxing and taking shit, I'm Uncle Sammy. I ain't trying to date, little bitch, take off your panties. News got a little birthday in the training. They ain't even know I had to switch in the fanny. Do a nigga bad with the switch like that.
Ain't even know I had switched in the fanny on bro, nigga.
Bro hopped out, overstood in my fanny. I'm on the flight, I'm on pills with no landing. I can't fight the pill hit like Manny. Niggas see me and get stiff like on Andy. I had to leave cause the bitch.
Bro, what the fuck is on my shirt? That shit is like blowing me, nigga. What the fuck is that?
Bitch too demanding. I don't like that. I might just blow hit that brain, bang. I gotta show these niggas I got rank. Ooh, she either did good or man. Stop all that baby, ain't pull no stain. Stop all that baby, ain't putting no pain. Ooh, I'm smacking the good, make it rain. That shit a shame, she ain't got no shame. Busting her down on the kitchen sink. Fuck this free shit, this shit ain't the same. Niggas point fingers and get niggas.
Busting shit down on the kitchen saying, what the fuck, you a freaky ass nigga, Jordan?
Blame, this on LiJordan, I get niggas flame. So slam I right off with the whole damn thing. Look that hoe wanna fuck whole game. The crack law, I'm whipping up cocaine. Overseas, I'm fucking hoes from me. I'm in her G-spot, she said it's screaming my name. It's 5 racks on the floor, hand family. Why niggas trying to my flow, goddamn it. He try to reach, make him flow like a hammy. It might be blood on the floor, don't paint it. He said it's smoky, got smoke like Sammy. Taxing and taking shit, I'm Uncle Sammy. I ain't trying to date, little bitch, take off your panties. News got a little birthday in the training. They ain't even know I had to switch in the fanny. Do a nigga bad with the switch just like Granny. Bro hopped out, overstood in my fanny. I'm on the flight, I'm on pills with no landing. I can't fight the pill hit like Manny. Niggas see me and get stiff like on Andy. I had to leave cause the bitch too demanding. I don't like that.
I had to leave cause the bitch too demanding. I don't like that. Oh yeah, here go this shit. Here go this shit. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I feel
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm finna tell y'all niggas up. I'm finna tell y'all niggas up. I'm finna tell y'all. Come on, what a day. Yeah, I got tastes. Look at my beach. On my way. Yeah, what's on my waist is this loosely kick. She not my main, I'm finna boot this bitch. You call LiJordan good with a stick. I keep that stick like I'm brooming shit. Nah, I ain't got it, bitch. Who the fuck said I'm a treat? Said let's link up and die, we gon' grind his loss. She ain't shit, just another hoe scratch out the least. I know a hoe that'll drink my piece. What make you think I care if I lose?
Nigga, what? What the fuck you mean?
You bitch. I want some niggas with loose screws, bitch. Say the wrong thing, they gon' shot.
Man, niggas lucky I can't scream right now, nigga. My pop sleep, nigga. I would've been fucking. I know a hoe that drink my pit, nigga. Like, nah, bro.
I saw the spice for the price of some new shoes. I want the bitch for the night, make her lick my yo shit sit up nice. I like your teeth. Nigga, we want your pipe, you don't blow your steep. Yeah, nigga, we want your fire, you ain't blow it. Now watch your baby tee me up, let me fuck for the one time. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Yeah, I just hit my coat with a red line. Hit the hoe one time, the bitch that was so tired. He ain't my brother, nigga, I don't need nobody. I just want the mouth and that's it, I don't want no ties.
I was waiting on you to drop that motherfucker for a little bit, you feel me? That shit hard though. That shit hard as that. Oh, you got Kobe.
Yeah, LiJordan.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit,
LiJordan.
what the fuck?
LiJordan. Yeah, 2 for Kobe. Bitch, 2 for Kobe. I'm a ball hog, creeping in a trench coat with that sawed off. She giving good throat, and she so ball. He got his shirt soaked for that dance talk. She say she love when I take my shirt off. I'm on the drug, baby, this that perk talk. I took the purse fighting back, I got locked off. Telling me go one more time for he knocked off. I'm dripping, this shit just like hot sauce. I'm in the cut with your bitch getting topped off. Oh, this your bitch twin, damn, that's my fault. I'm taking no commands, yeah. She ain't my.
Oh, this your bitch saying, damn, that's my fault.
I get the rock and act like I don't know niggas. I out there rockin' so quick, I don't do no hitting. None of y'all can't be my bitch, I don't do no picking. I'm the type shoot down your door, I don't do no kicking. I don't like gon' let it be known, ain't no fake kicking. I'm kinda weird cause I only like gay bitches. Niggas grow birds, eat
What the
ass.
fuck? What the fuck, nigga? What, nigga? Nigga said I'm kinda weird cause I only like gay bitches. That's different, nigga.
I grew up bird eating pussy, my case different. 762, I went black out, our case different. I got like 5 different vibes and they say different. I like my bitch with some thigh cause it say different. I got a ray, I'm trying to shake from the Jason.
Bro, nigga.
Block got the soon like Cole Bennett. No, he a rat, he ain't finished his hoes. Niggas start talking about that coupe cause it ain't no hoes in it. I see his coupe, I'ma put some O's in it.
That shit, that's probably my favorite joint. That's definitely my favorite joint. That shit hard. That shit hard.
20 more minutes, my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
the trap and I got it so hot. I'm in the trap and I got it so hot. I'm in the trap and I got it so hot. I'm in the trap and I got it so hot.
I can barely hear what you're saying.
I'm in the trap and I got it so hot. Yeah, her pussy back. Yeah, her pussy wet. I want that bitch, her pussy wet. Yeah, I ain't into that. Yeah, and that bitch shit, I ain't into that. Yeah, and that bitch shit, I ain't into that. Yeah, and that bitch shit, I ain't into that. Yeah, and that bitch shit, I ain't into that. I don't really fuck with these niggas. I don't really fuck with them, cause they really in it. I don't really fuck with these niggas. I don't really fuck with them, cause these niggas so internet. I don't really fuck with these niggas. I really don't fuck with these niggas. They so internet. Yeah, bitch, some money get your neck. Yeah, baby, I'm trying to get your neck. I put some hair in the fucking her neck. Yeah, baby, what's the best? Bitch, she want a bitch. Bitch, she want a bitch. Bitch, she want a bitch. Baby, you want a bitch. Yeah, baby, you want a bitch. Yeah, baby, you want a bitch. I asked the bitch, can we have some sex? I asked the bitch, can we have some sex? I asked the bitch, can we have some sex? I'm finna lay a bitch down on the bed. I'm trying to see.
Bro, Jordan, this shit would be so much better if I could just hear you more, nigga. Damn.
Yeah, I'm trying to see about your motherfucking head. I'm trying to see about your motherfucking yeah. I spin again, spinning again. I spin your block, spinning again. I told the bitch I'm trying to fuck your friend. I'm trying to fuck on the bitch and her friend. I'm trying to fuck on the bitch and her friend. I'm trying to fuck on the bitch and her friend. Yeah, eat my kin, eat my kin, eat my blood, eat my cuz. I tell the bitch I don't show me no love. I asked the bitch why you show me no love. I asked the bitch why you show me no love. I know it ain't no love in the club. I know it ain't no love in the club. I know it ain't no love in the club. She ain't even got no love for the thug. She ain't even got no love for the thug. She ain't even got no love for the thug. She ain't even got no love for the thug. She ain't got no love for your bug. Man, I get high, get bugged. Man, I'm so high, I'm above. I asked the bitch, can we fly around like dogs? Baby, in the car. Hell no, I ain't my car. Bitch, I say clean like a flood. Bitch, I say clean like a flood. I told the bitch I'ma get you a phone. I told the bitch I'ma get you a phone. I told the bitch I'ma get you a phone. Yeah, oh, yeah. Ain't you like it when I do that? Talking shit in the bed, baby. Can you give me head, baby? I'm trying to see about your neck. I'm trying to see about that pussy yet. I'm trying to see if that little pussy wet. I'm trying to see if that little pussy wet. I'm trying to fuck a baby on her back. I'm trying to fuck a baby on her back. I'm trying to fuck a baby on her back. I'm trying to fuck a baby on her yeah. I'm finna fuck around. I'm finna fuck around. Have a baby on her ass. Yeah, baby, you ain't gas. I told the bitch in the trash. I told the
I'm finna fuck around, have a baby on her ass.
bitch in the trash. I told the bitch she was trash. Bitch, she ain't even that. I told the bitch take your ass to class. Yeah, baby, you. I leave a stupid ass bitch in the past. Yeah, baby, touch some grass.
That was a calm little vibe, Jordan. That was a calm little vibe. I fuck with that whole project. You feel me? The last joint though, twin. If that shit was, bro, if that shit was louder, nigga, that shit would. You feel me? Like it's still hard. It's just, I mean, it's a throwaway anyway. You literally said scrap on that motherfucker. You put, you feel me? But yeah, that shit was calm as hell though. Y'all go check my boy out. That's my partner right there. You feel me? And shit, I'ma catch y'all niggas in the next one. You hear me?